In this video, let me show you the way that you use Telegram on multiple devices. Welcome back to this quick guide video on how Genic. If you already have Telegram logged in on a different device and you're trying to log in to another one, it is going to be a straightforward process because using Telegram on multiple devices is seamless because of its cloud-based messenger, which means it does support simultaneous login into different devices, whether it be phones, computers, or even tablets. So all of these devices will automatically sync and all of your messages and contacts will sync as well. You can just open up the Telegram app and then type in your country code, enter in your phone number, and then you'll get a code which you'll need to enter in. And once you do that, you'll be successfully logged in. Once you are verified and log in, as I said, due to the cloud chats, everything will sync up, allowing all of your devices to work simultaneously. So if this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.